How do you use color coding? How does that help you visually?
It, I guess visually I don't focus on it a lot. The one color code that I am religious about is yellow is for witnesses because I tag every single name that I come across in any set of documents. And it's always yellow and it's always witness space, last name, comma, first name, space, licensure, if any. That's just how I put things. Because if you do that, when you're getting ready for a deposition, the absolutely phenomenal game changer ability to export page, the group of pages that you've marked is it saves you hours and hours and hours. I mean, if you're doing the work, the document review like you should be, then your depot prep is simple. Imagine this. You've got a nursing home record that has 5,000 pages in it. You've gone through it carefully. You've marked everywhere this particular nurse has made a note or where they're referenced, and you've done that work. You export that the day before their deposition. You run that through any kind of AI things that you love. I prefer Claude on my desktop because of the security wise. And you say, help me develop a line of questioning based upon these documents. You've pulled 40 pages out of your 5,000, and then you're able to use that document set to build a deposition outline in 10 minutes that you can then go back and sit with it and kind of think, okay, where are the nuances that nobody else could get or that no other tool could help me with? You've got time to do the deep work now that the busy work is done.